In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Facebook app, and once the app is opened, tap right here on an iPhone to head over to menu. The menu button on an Android may be located right over here at the top right. Once you are at menu, tap right here at that gear to head over to settings and privacy, and then tap at account center to move on to the account center, where we can easily find personal details. First off, we need to get into personal details, and that's where we can find account ownership and control. Once we get into it, down below here, we need to tap at deactivation or deletion. And on the next step, we need to choose our Facebook account that we are going to temporarily deactivate. On the next step, we can note that deactivate account option is selected by default, so now we just need to tap at continue to proceed. It says that deactivating our account will also deactivate our pages. Here we got the list of pages that are going to be deactivated with our account. To proceed, tap at continue. On the next step, you will be asked to enter your Facebook password. I can just tap right here to autofill it because it is saved on my Apple ID passwords. Once you've entered your password, hit at continue. On the next step, select the reason why you are going to deactivate your Facebook account. It doesn't really matter what you're gonna choose here. I'm just gonna hit this is temporary, I'll be back. Then scroll down and hit continue. Then scroll down again, and here is the thing that you should pay attention for. Towards the very bottom, located the option which is called automatically reactivate my account in, and by default it is set to 7 days. So if you don't change that option, your account will be automatically reactivated after 7 days. If you don't want your account to be automatically reactivated, tap right here to go to that options, and then scroll down to show you that one which is called don't reactivate automatically. I'm gonna select it and then hit add done. Then to continue, hit continue. And on that final step, all we have to do in order to deactivate our account temporarily is just hit at that button. Then after a while, after 2, 3, maybe 5 or 10 seconds, depends on your internet connection, your Facebook account will be temporarily deactivated, and it will stay deactivated until you sign into that account again using your mobile number or email and password. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.